I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I was told recently in the comments of a previous video that Ralph, you're taking too long to show the shoe. You're running in your mouth, you're flapping your gums too long. We want to see the shoe, Ralph. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. I read the comments, I listen. Alright, as you can see here, we have another Nike box. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this. Boom. Jordan box. Alright, and then on the inside here you have the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Get that box out of here. Now, these are the Air Jordan 1 Low. Alright, and the colorway is white, black, and court purple. Alright, size 14, of course. And the retail on these boys is $90. Okay, I was able to get these for $81 shipped. All right, now let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, these are the Air Jordan 1 Low in that court purple. Now, I reviewed a lot of these Jordan 1 Lows now, the new wave of the Jordan 1 Lows. So I won't get too detailed in this, but I did want to show you all that I do have this one, okay? Now, this is like my fifth pair of the Jordan 1 Lows. It's new model. And I just thought this was a dope colorway, man. And I like what they are doing with the materials. You know, that nubuck all the way around. You got your patent leather on the swoosh. I just think these shoes, they're doing a good job on these lows, man. Doing a good job. And I'm in an area, I'm over here in Spain, southern Spain, where it's nice and warm year round for the most part. So I don't have to wait till summer to bust these out. I can throw these on today if I felt like it. You know what I mean? So you got your all court purple bottom. You know, you got your purple here with that nubuck. Very nice. Nice feeling. It's not too stiff of a shoe. Let me take that shoe tree out. It's not a stiff feeling of a shoe, because sometimes you get these shoes and they're just real stiff even though they got that nubuck. But it's not too stiff. It's a little softer, you know. So I feel like that'll be comfortable on feet. You got some of that leather where the white is not the softest of leather. You know, these aren't the top of the line quality of that leather, but it's pretty good, And of course, as I mentioned, that patent leather on the entire swoosh going all the way around. You got your Jordan Wings logo there on the back. Jumpman on the tongue right there. And then the 2-3 underneath that. There going up the tongue, holding the laces together. Alright, very dope. I don't know if I mentioned the Nike logo on the bottom and that court purple as well. And on the inside, you got that purple Jumpman. Purple Jumpman on the inside there. So, you know what we gotta do with these? We gotta take these boys on feet. All right, here we are on feet with these Court Purple Jordan 1 lows. All right, so for size comparison, how they fit, you can see that wiggle right there. My big toe ends right there. That is the tip of my big toe. So pretty good for me. Lengthwise, I could probably get away with a 13 in these, but widthwise, the 13 will probably be a little bit snug. So that's why I go 14 on these. All right, now here we are. Some of that front view, some of that coming at ya, coming at ya. Yes, sir. A little more of that side view on these things. Yeah. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it on these. Very dope shoe. Very glad to add these to my collection of Jordan 1 lows. Man, I keep saying Jordan 1s as a whole are becoming, they might be coming for that #1 spot, man. I've been holding on to Jordan 8s for so long. So long, I just said Jordan 8s are my favorite. But Jordan 1 lows, man, oh my goodness. Not even just lows, but Jordan 1s in general. They're coming for that top spot. They're coming for that spot. Jordan 1s, I just love them. And actually, my next video that you see of sneakers is a Jordan 1. So be on the lookout for that. But anyway, that's gonna do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, including on this. So stay tuned for that, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.